Go ahead.
We're going on Spider-Man!
All right.
We get to go in front of the line!
All right. We're going on Spider-Man.
I'm gonna get the very top! The very top!
The white one?
Yeah.
You do?
Ethan, where are we right now?
And the Spider-Man ride! You can see there's all kinds of webs over there.
Whoa,
The
Lexi.
ride can sense your hands and the web will come out of the screen.
All right, well, we're gonna see.
And we get different color webs.
Right on the nose. Good job, kiddo.
Oh, by the way, that you might want to come to Disneyland with us. So, like, tomorrow we're gonna be at Disneyland, not California, Disneyland. So you might want to come with us.
And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we get access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, I'd greatly appreciate it.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call somebody else, ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. We should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, front the slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the
Manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de 3 cuerpos y supervise a sus niños.
Ethan, are you about to get on Spider-Man?
Gordo te digo,
Glasses on.
manos, brazos.
Extend your arm. Stop as many
Yeah, we got him! Right?
We did, but I'm detecting unstable bots ahead.
Wrong containment again, right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start swinging.
Wait, what? I'm trapped!
The illo power cells optimally strong. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did help.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I've got an idea!
We can do it if everyone works together.
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, it's been done without them.
That was also your idea.
Hey, it's Peter! Looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
Actually, better tell Tony.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter.
What'd you think? You thought it was good?